Gwenya kwa Ramogi. Jatend migawo mar tuke Salim Mvurya olando ni tuke mag ng'wech mag Keino Classic mahigani ibiro bagi alap ma Ulinzi Complex ma ok Nyayo National Stadium kaka ne ochan motelo. Mvurya wacho magi sama tuke go yudo sir kuwuok e bengi mar Absa ma siling $60,000,000. E nyasi ma kamano jakom Athletics Kenya Meja Jackson Tuwei olando ni maloyo jong'wech 200 mawuok e piny mangima dhi yuore tuke go.
The rights fees that we've paid for these engagements total up to about 40 million shillings and a further 20 million shillings for logistical and amplification support, such as our media partners, hosting, hospitality, and athlete engagements.
And as we get excited about this, we also promise that a new list of athletes from Kenya. I'm sure you have all heard about these youth camps and so forth. Apart from what Bonagorira said and on Ferdinand Omanyala, we have a new crop of athletes that are coming up, and we would like to expose or to bring them on this particular area. And so we confirm that we have already over 200 top athletes that have been said, and those includes the new athletes from Kenya.
I'm aware that initially this event was scheduled to take place at Nyayo Stadium, but now I want to announce officially that we will have it here in Ulinzi. In Nyayo, just as you are aware, we are doing an upgrade there. A lot of work is happening. We are putting in a new tartan track. And therefore, Nyayo is now labeled as a construction site. So we cannot host that event in Nyayo.